Online people, check out, guys. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, so last one. Here, the select number of trips or number of iterations of select query, we avoided by using of bulk collect. Okay, so this is what. But here, 1 dot dot 4. So when we written like this means when I knows number of rows in a table. If I know number of rows, how many are there in the table, then I can write like this. But when we don't know how many number of rows are there in the table, then how to prepare this first and last. Okay, na? So there I said some collection methods we have here, like first method, last method, prior method, next method, yes or no. So these kind of some collection methods we need to use. First method returns index value of the first element. Last means last element. Next means next by next element in the forward direction. And prior means previous element. So that means the current position to previous position. It's called as a backward position. So forward fetching next, backward fetching prior. Okay. So these are the four methods we have to use, right? Take first these collections. Okay, and how to use your collection name dot method name. So which method you want it, that method you can use. Okay, right. Let you see this. This is the previous example. Now we can write here. Okay, by using bulk collection with the forward direction. Okay, forward direction or forward navigation also you can do. Okay, right now. And the same thing, I want to do this here. So forward navigation means this is up to here, the same program. Okay. I don't want to change anything here. But in place of first, what should? Collection name. What is my collection name? Huh? D. It's your collection name. D dot, which method? First. Dot, D dot, last. So last maybe 4 rows, 10 rows, 1 lakh rows. It's not a problem. Okay, na? So D dot first, D dot last. Okay. And now you can come out and see to execute this one. So my D 11 a.m. Okay, right. And now you can come out and check this. So here I overcome this, and here also my selector statement one time executed. All department names are fetching from table, storing under bulk collection, and from there storing under collection memory. And from this collection memory, based on the index value I, one by one, we are fetching. Okay, now? And now we can go to execute now. The same, which direction this was? Forward directionally, we are fetching. How your table was there? Same as. So, same as the table forward direction. First account, then after research, sales, and what next? Operations. Okay, now? Right now? Okay, right. So forward navigation, we are fetching now. So same as for the backward navigation, if I want to fetch by using for loop, right on below, fetching rows in backward navigation by using a for loop. So when we use for loop, we don't want to write any logic here. Just we want to use one keyword in this. That which keyword I have to use here. Observe. Okay, everything will be same. Okay, na? Previously, whatever we written the program, everything is same. But in for loop statement, okay, here you just observe. Okay, we are using what now? Reverse keyword we are using. Which keyword? Reverse. Then what happened? Whatever the data was fetching in this first to last, then later it was a reverse. Reverse means what it was come first? Operation, then sales, then research, then accounts. So in such a way, in your collection memory, it will save. And after that, based on this reverse order, based on the index value, one by one row will be fetching. So this is called a backward. So reverse keyword, what it will do, your order will be reversely stored in collection and later one by one pick. But the taking of what now? Collection index number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it will be taking like this. Okay, now. So now just I'm using reverse keyword and let you see whether automatically it was reverse or not. Check now. So I'm executing. Yes. What it was come first? Operation, sales, research, accounts. Okay, right now. Without rewards keyword. Try what happened. Check. That was not supported. Okay, previous to last. Check once. Check once. Tomorrow has Sunday na. Check once and Monday show me. Working or not working. Okay, right. So this is for loop. Okay, na? In for loop, just we are using one predefined key reverse to reversing your order automatically. Okay, na? But the same thing, if I want to fetching my data or my rows in a while loop conditions, if I want to use, how we can fetch it? Okay, right down below. So text adding, fetching rows. Okay, in forward direction, in forward direction by using while, by using while loop. Ah, while loop, can you tell me what is the first condition while loop? First, you have to initialize. Yes or no? Initialize your variable value should initialize. After that, we are writing now condition while x less than or equals to 4. Yes or no? Then after what should I want to do? Print my x value. Then after x is equals to x plus 1 increment. This is simple. So initialization compulsory. Now x value starts with what? 1. 1 less than or equals to 4. Condition true. Condition true means immediately your x value printer, how much? 1. Then after we'll come to increment. X is equals to x value 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to how much? 2. Then x value how much now? 2. The 2 will come and check here condition. 2 less than or equals to 4. Condition true. 2 printed. Again incremented. 2 plus 1. 3. Now x is equals to how much now? 3. 3 will come and check. Condition true. Next 3 plus 1. X is equals to 4. 4 will check. Condition true. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 will check. Condition wrong. So condition left out. That means it was exit from your loop. So same as a yes or no? Now we can check now. So for while loop, so how to use here? Observe. Okay. While loop. Same as see. Here, as usual, you have to declare your type, but here, careful observe. Here, I'm taking DEPT percentile row type. Why, sir, I'm taking DEPT percentile row type? Percentile row type we are using for multiple columns, okay, na, with a single variable. Understand, na? Previous programs, these all are how many columns fetching? Only one column. Which column? D name. But now I want to fetch my entire table. Complete data have to fetch. Complete data have to fetch. Okay, na? Complete data have to fetch. From what? Yeah, complete data I want to fetch now. So that means complete data means how many columns? 3 columns. So that's why I'm using what now? Row type. Okay, so remaining thing. Careful observe. One collection variable by the help of your user defined data type, one collection variable declared. Along with that, a normal variable also declared. A normal variable also declared. Why we are declaring normal variable? Because initialization purpose. Int x is equals to 1. That initialization purpose, one normal variable I'm going to declaring. Then after, as usual, begin. And what I'm using, select a star. Star means all columns. Select a star from which table? Department table, and that data storing directly under bulk collection into the collection memory. Okay, after that, initialize. Initialize means variable is required now. Yes, already variable declared here. So that is initialize now. Initialize x is equals to d dot first. That means which row? Your x value how much? 1. Your x value starts with the 1. So x initialization is equals to 1. Here while condition. What is while condition? While of x less than or equals to d dot last. D dot last means which one? 4. This is the condition. So now x is equals to 1. 1 less than or equals to 4. Condition true? Yeah, true means inside the loop and print the value. How to print here? D of x. D of x means value what? D of 1. D of 1 department number. D of 1 department name, D of 1 department location. So D of X dot department number, that means a row. A row means how many columns? 3 columns. So first row, my index value 1, first row department number, comma, first row department name, comma, first row location. So that's why I'm taking D of X department, D of X department name, D of X LOC. So now what happened? As per this condition, 1 less than or equals to 4 condition true. True means which row printed? Which row? First row printed. What is the first row? 10 accounts, some location, something New York or something. After printed, what next I have to do? Increment statement. Increment is what now? X is equals to D dot next of X. So D dot next means which row? Second row. That means your X value how much? 2. That 2 again come to check here. Okay, na? Check. Condition. Condition true. Condition true means a printer. Yes, which row? Second row printed. What is the second row? 20 print. Okay. After increment, D dot next of X. What is the next value? 3. 3 will come here, check. 3 less than or equals to 4. Condition true. Condition true means second printer. Yes, which row? Third row is going to be printing. After that, again increment. X is equals to D next of X. X value how much? 4. Again it will come. 4 less than or equals to 4. True. Again it will be printer. Yes, 40. 4th row printed. After what is increment? 4 plus 1. But next row is there? Not there. If it is there means 5. 5 will compare here. 5 less than or equals to 4. Condition false. Loop is exit. Understand now? This is by using of what now? While end loop, and finally you can go to say end. Okay now? Let you come back and see. Now we can go to declare now. This is your table. Select a star from department. Now first what I want to declare? Declare my user defined type. How to declare? Type name. So DEPT underscore array. That means complete table I'm taking. Type name. Next what? Is a table of which table? Percentile what? Row type. What is the next? Index by what? Binary integer. Okay na? Index by binary integer. Underscore na? Index by binary integer. Index space. Okay. Now declaration over. After that, what now? Your collection variable. What is the collection variable? D or X or Y, whatever you can declare. What is that? Array. Okay. This is collection memory. Understand na? Now, when we use, I said, while loop, if you want to use a initialization compulsory. For that purpose only, I'm taking here X, Y, Z, whatever it is. Which type? It's a number of 3 or 4 or something. So now, first user defined data type we declared here. Then after, with the help of user defined data type, we are creating our collection memory. Then one normal variable is declared. Okay, na? Then after what now? Begin. After begin, what do you want to do first? Fetch your data from where it is? Database. Where it was? Bulk collection. From there, collection memory. Okay, how to fetch? Select. Can I use star? Star from which table? Department. If I'm executing this query, what happened? All are coming out. Entire department table will come na? Yes. That data, where are you storing? Bulk collect into where? D. Is it clear? Now, after complete data from your database to bulk collection to collection memory. From there, you have to fetch one by one. By using which loop? While loop. What do you want to say? While loop before I want to write a condition. First, initialize. How to initialize here? X is equals to collection dot which one? First. That means I want to start my fetching from first row. Then after, can I write while loop? Yes. What is our while loop? X less than or equals to 4. Actually. But I don't know. I don't know means what should write here? D dot last. Okay. Sorry. D dot last. Condition okay. Then after what? Condition inside a loop. Inside loop, suppose this condition is true, what should I want to do? Print. How to print? dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of. How to print? First row. First row means index value 1. Okay, that means collection memory of d of what? What is that? X value? X. D of X dot what? Department number concatenation, comma, concatenation. D of X of department name, concatenation, comma, concatenation. Next, D of X of what is that? LOC. Okay, na? The complete columns, how many you have it? All columns are, you can define like this. Okay. First row, X value 1. First row, all columns displayed. Okay. Right. After that, what should I want to write? Increment. How to write increment? X is equals to, increment means which direction? Backward direction or forward direction? Forward direction. Forward direction means what now? First row. First row increment second row. Second row means third row. Third row increment fourth row. That means which direction it was going? Forward direction. Forward direction means which one? Next of what? X. Okay, na? Then after, what is next? End loop. So close your loop. Then after, end begin and execute now. Now we can see entire row, first row, d of x 1, first row, d of x 2, second row, d of x 3, third row, d of x 4, fourth row. And which direction? Forward direction. Okay. In while loop, you have to use first method, last method, next method. Okay. Right down below. Row is not there, na? Row is not there. Stop there. Okay. This is forward. Suppose if I want to print in backward direction, how to write logic for while loop? Mm. So now, just imagine x is equals to 4, last row, while, what do you say? X greater than or equals to 1. 1? So x value 4. 4 greater than or equals to 1. True. 4 record. Then what I want to do? Increment. 4 increment is what? 3. Increment is 5. So x colon is equals to what? D dot, what do you want? Prior. Prior means what now? Decrease. The prior of x. 4 previous record is what? 3. So x value 3. 3 combined here. 3 greater than or equals to 1. Condition? True. So 3 printed. Come back. 3 previous row. 2. X value 2. 2 greater than or equals to 1. True. 2 will printed. Next. Decrement. Previous 1. 1 greater than or equals to 1. True. 1 printed. Next decrement 0. Nothing. Okay. That means how to change here, where you want to change? Write down. Fetching backward direction, fetching rows in backward directions. In backward direction by using while. Hmm. So here x is equals to d dot last. Condition is what now? X greater than or equals to d dot first. Then everything is over. And here next place what should prior. Let you go and check now. So in reverse order 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay. Right. Okay. So now these are what we called PLSQL table or associated array. Okay, na? This is one type of technique to fetching your multiple rows from your database. Okay. And another type of technique is that is called a V array. So now V array also same as this, but here observe. V array is also user defined data types, which is used to store number of data items in a single unit and declared with a size. So V array working just like your array. So how you declared array with some particular size, based on the size, that many elements only I can access. Same as here also. So here number of elements are limited because we are declaring with the size. So as per array size. Same on small example, type, type name is V array. Previously is table of. Here is V array and here decide your size. So here I'm taking how much size here? 10. That means how many elements can I store? 10 elements. Of which data type? Varchar 2. So ESV array size of varchar 2. String type. Then variable declaration, collection variable, begin, and here you can say select ename, employee name, taking and storing under bulk collection into collection variable from EMP table. Up to how many elements I can store? 10 elements. That's why I'm using what now? Row num less than or equals to 10. It will be fetching top 10 rows. Top 10 rows fetching and the top 10 rows employee names are fetching, storing under bulk collection, and from there storing under collection memory. After that, same as for loop. So for index variable I and collection first dot dot collection last and loop dbms display. Okay, collection of I. So your I variable na I and end loop and end because for loop by default increment is 1. Got it? So now let you come back and see what I want to declare. Declare type name. Here e name underscore what array type name is what v array of the size I'm taking here 5. 5 of which data type? Varchar 2 of some size. Okay. Then after collection variable I'm taking e. And what is the type here? E name underscore array. Okay, fine. Then after begin. What next I have to here? Fetch. How to fetch? Select. What do you want to fetch? Name. From where it is? EMP. On which condition? Where row num less than or equals to what? 5. And that fetching top 5 employee names, again I have to store under where? Bulk collect from there store under E, collection variable. Collection variable is what now? E. After storing and fetching into collection, then we can go to fetch one by one. For I, what? In E dot first dot E dot last. Okay. E dot last. Then fetching. Fetching loop started. Yes, loop start. What do you want to do? Print dbms underscore output dot put underscore line of what? E of I. E of I. So because I is index variable. And now after that, end loop. Then after end execute now. The top 5 people will comes to you. Okay. So now we can see in my table. So select a star from EMP. Now who is the top 5? Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin. So you got it? Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin. Top 5. Now right on below. First definition take V array. Suppose here observe your array size is 5. Row num less than or equals to 5. Exactly 5 elements are fit. Suppose in case if I'm going to say like 3, working my array size is 5, but I'm fetching rows are 3. Can possible? Okay. Let you see. So possible. You got it because your size is within the array. Suppose if I'm using my array size is 5, but I'm going to fetching the element 6. Can we fit? No. So now if I'm going to check here, okay, and now execute, it's showing error. And error is very clear. What is error? Given index 6 must be in the range of 1 to 5. That means what you understand in PL/SQL, my index starts with 1. In your Java, 0. So now practically proved, yes. So here our index is starting with the one number, not 0. Okay, na? So now this is more than that you can't. Less than you can. Okay, this is what we called array because array is having some size. Up to the size only, my elements are limited. More than that elements, I cannot fetch. But suppose without declaring of size and without interacting with size, whatever you want it, you can get. Okay, na? That is what? Collection in your Java. Collection advantage is what now? No size. No size, whatever, how many elements you wanted, that many elements you can fetch. Okay, na? Same just like that, how we are using collection, especially in your Java. So here we are using the type of statement is called as a nested array. So nested array table also user defined, which is used to store number of data items in a single unit and not declaring with the size. Here number of elements are unlimited. So now we can see type name is a table of, that's it. But is there any size representation? No. So no size representation, just data type we are taking. Okay, na? So declaration, again, same. If you wanted 5 means 5 will come, 10 means 10 will come, 1 means 1 will come. As you are conditional basis, that many elements are fetching. But there is no any size limit. If you want 100, 100 also come. Okay, na? So remaining all are same. Yes, right on below. Nested. Now the same program, let will take here. What do you want to change? Type name is a what? Table of. That's it. And data type here taken. So no size mentioned here. Okay. Variable declaration, bulk, everything is. If you want the 6 means 6, 2 means 2, 3 means 3, everything will be same now. Yes. So let you come back and see only type name is changed. So 3. If I was given 3, 3 will come. Suppose if I was given here, for example, 10, then how much it will fetching now? 10 rows are fetching now. So there is no limitations. Okay, now right. Okay, right. So these are the three user-defined data types. Any data type you can use to declare your own variable and store multiple elements. Okay, na? So this is called as a collection topic in our Pl&Sql. Okay, na? Right. So I stop it here. We'll continue Monday. So Monday last day. Huh? Monday is the last day, and Monday I will give some interview questions also and important topics I will explain to you what is what. That all finally on Monday we will see. Okay, now? Right, yes. So thank you. Thank you so much.